Summertime means more fresh produce at local farmers markets and grocery stores, so let's take advantage. Teresa Strasser has satisfying salads that'll have you trying some tasty new combos.
We all want to look and feel good for the summer, and one of the best ways to get started is to load up on nourishing food.
Why are salads the ultimate look good for summer food?
It's just light, you're staying away from the carbs and keeping it all with the protein.
Chef Mario Gebran at US Egg shares 3 powerful and healthy summer salads. Let's start with a lemon garlic kale salad.
What makes it delicious is the dressing. So let's go ahead and start this dressing off. I want to start off with some fresh garlic here.
Smash 4 cloves in a garlic press and put it into a bowl.
This is harder than I thought.
Give it some muscle.
I get it. I'm throwing my back into it.
Mix in a 1/4 cup of fresh squeezed lemon juice with a pinch of pink Himalayan sea salt, then slowly pour olive oil into the mixture.
Why do you put it in slowly?
Because it will coagulate if you don't.
Remove the stems from the kale, roll up the leaves like a sushi roll, and slice it up.
And that's how you make kale pretty.
Top with toasted almond slices and Parmesan. And toss it, drizzle the dressing on top.
That is a perfect salad. 10 out of 10, chef.
Next, tabbouleh. Start with a bunch of parsley and chop up about 2½ cups.
You don't want it like a tiny little pieces of parsley, so I probably hit this about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, about 6 or 7 times.
Rough chop.
Put it in a bowl and add some chopped green onions, diced tomatoes, and fresh chopped mint. Then add bulgur wheat.
And what's critical about making tabbouleh is you want to cover it at this point and refrigerate it for 2 hours to let the bulgur expand.
To make the dressing, mix up extra virgin olive oil, freshly squeezed lemon juice, sea salt, and a pinch of pepper.
That is so delicious. Very fresh for a hot day.
Finally, beet salad.
Beets are the #1 source of iron. They're delicious, and they also really keep your blood pressure down as well. They're really beneficial too.
Cut and peel the beets and roast them in an oven at 400 degrees for 40 minutes. While they're cooking, chop up celery.
Keep the celery a little big so you get some crunch. And then here are some shallots that are chopped up pretty fine.
Okay.
So all it is shallots and celery.
To make the dressing, mix up olive oil, white wine vinegar, Dijon mustard, and honey. Pour it over the beets and toss.
This is my favorite.
Is it?
I love it.
For the full recipes, head to thelistTV.com. Healthy salads to get you ready for a super summer.